Are you wondering which remote access tool is better? Today, we are comparing Rustdesk and Parsec. Both tools let you connect to your computer from anywhere. They help you access files, run applications, and work remotely. But they do have different features and strengths. Let's start with Rustdesk. This tool is open source and focuses on privacy. You can host your own server, which means you control your data. Rustdesk is easy to set up and works on multiple platforms. It's great for personal use or small teams. Now, let's look at Parsec. This tool is designed mainly for gaming. It offers low latency connections, making it perfect for playing games with friends. Parsec also has features for collaboration, like sharing your screen with others. It's user friendly and works well on various devices. So, what are the main differences? Rustdesk is all about privacy and control. It's perfect for users who want to manage their own servers. On the other hand, Parsec shines in gaming and real-time collaboration. If you are looking for a smooth gaming experience, Parsec is the way to go. When it comes to features, Rustdesk provides strong security options and customization. Parsec focuses on performance and ease of use. Both tools have their strengths, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, Rustdesk is free since it's open source. Parsec offers a free version, but some features require a subscription. So, which one should you choose? If you value privacy and control, go for Rustdesk. If gaming and collaboration are your priorities, Parsec is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.